everybody, Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trading. Got the show and it's Monday. Nice. How's everybody doing? Nice to see you. Got the MOJO chat room happening. 292 on CBLI. Can't believe it. Look at that thing moving. Stock's flying right now. That's the stock we traded today. So watch this thing right here and see if we can make a trade through Hines only. Because if it does get up there, we'll do it right now. Let's click a couple of times. Bink, bink. The squeeze will be at $3. You'll see a lot of stock right there. I'll show you where we just last traded this thing right here. So what we did was we traded it right here at the open, and it made a huge move to 278. Then it came down. We did it again right here off to 230. We sold it again. Boom. All right, hold on a second. It's 97. And then it came down again right here, and we didn't do this trade at 227, and from there it's gone straight up to 293. So that's day trading with the MOJO in the day trade room, but it's come too far up the street as far as we're concerned. And the dogs, they ain't even here to give us good luck. So everything's working smooth. Let me show you the day trade room, what we did for the day. Got a couple new traders in the room. Right here, we have a fisherman. That's his avatar. Whoop. Hold on a second. I will be getting a better stand. And that's his avatar right there. Trader Boss Boater. Alright, still 94. I'll show you the original pick on CBLI, which we did, and then you tell me if you like it or not. So we're right here. This was my comic. Are you ready for another ride this week? Let's go ride the train. Let's go ride the stock market train this week. Very appropriate, right?
Well, yes. Yeah. Yes.
Nice, nice, nice. Then we have a special report. The special report was $50. Now, the demand, dude, it's $100. The pick is so good. It's $100. You want my pick of the whole? My last one was in October of 2012. My first real big layout special pick. Hold on, 95. Okay. And then we started the day. We have a couple new members. Hi, Carol. Always got to say hello to Christian. Christian's got the new pick. Christian, you just got the new pick. Tell him, is the pick worth $100 that you just paid for it? We'll come and see what he says. Okay, we'll come and see what he says. And then we traded right here, the special situation report right here. So if you click this, click it, and let's see. Let me get a new browser up right here. Click it again. So it's actually password protected, and you get the password after you do the buy. But that's not what I wanted to show you. This is it. So this is the special situation report right here. Now, get the pick. The next big market winner. Not since 2008 in the mortgage crisis has there been an opportunity for wealth to be created in the stock market. Did you bet for the mortgage stocks to fall and make millions? If not, this world-changing scenario and stock pick may just be your next big market winner. Okay? And here's the pick right here. And you can enroll to get the pick. Get the pick now for a hunch. Okay? That's the pick for a hunch. So let me show you this blog that I have when I first started MOJO Day Trading. So this is my blog right here when I first started MOJO Day Trading. There we go. So right here, this was in February of 2013, but I've done in 2012 319 blog posts. And if we go back to October of 2013, this was how to trade UVXY with the level 2, real nice. Market predictions for Monday. Some rules of trade. But let's go to October 2nd. Saturday, right here. What made me think and predict this big breakdown in the stock market 3 weeks ago? Well, I've been actually waiting for this since earlier in the year. See my email below I sent on January 23rd of 2012 with the charts on Google, Priceline, and CMG. I knew we were in for a correction at some point to come. I've seen it before, and from a common sense standpoint, things don't stay up forever. I was inspired last year after watching Bloomberg TV when they had on the most successful people. There I met Michael Berry. He's an American hedge fund manager and physician. He's founder of Scion Capital, which he ran from 2000 to 2008 when he closed the fund to focus on his own personal investments. Berry became one of the first investors in the world to recognize and invest in the impending subprime mortgage crisis. Author Michael Lewis profiled him in his book in 2010, The Big Short, Inside the Doomsday Machine, where he featured Gregory Book. Then the movie came out. So I was in on this and writing about Michael Berry. He was my silent mentor in 2012. His investment career, he worked as a neurology resident in a hospital. He was a doctor. He became a full-time investor and started his own hedge fund. After shutting down his own site, he started Scion Capital with a small inheritance from family and friends and was named after Scion Shannara, a famous book. He quickly earned extraordinary profits. In his first year, he was up 55%. But what he did was he bet on the mortgage crisis, and he was wrong. The housing market still went up higher, and he was in a loss scenario. Many of investors dropped out and didn't believe him, but he held to his guns and his beliefs. And that bubble popped, and he made $1 billion profit for everybody. Okay? So I shorted the mortgages because I had to. Every bit of logic led me to the trade. I had to do it. Okay? Though he suffered investor revolt before his predictions came true, he earned a profit of $100 million and remaining in more than $700 million. Okay? He's amazing. And this was my post right here on IBM, Google, Panera, Apple, right here. Well, that was just a chart on Google. This was my post right here from January 23rd of 2012. Google was up like that. Priceline was up like that. And Chipotle was up like that. And they were all due for a correction, kind of like what the market is right now. And that was in October of 2012. Right there. Pretty cool, huh? That was my original blog. I have a lot of good things I'm going to be taking from here and putting back onto the MOJO Day Trading website. Excuse me. Couple of things that we have added to the site this weekend. Check it out, MOJO Day Trading.
Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike.
So we have right here a forum. If you click up here, you see my picture up top, and you click that, there's a forum where you have all these topics, the MOJO trade plays and discussions about that, calls and puts, covered calls, the Ken Slim system, brokers, and you can comment about different avenues and create different profiles. I'm creating some posts for the new MOJO forum that is now on the site. And if you come right here and you go to forum, it's right there. Also is the blog. Blog's amazing. I'm going to be adding on top. Did a covered call writing right here, and that's grouped by category now. So if you click that, it'll take you to all the options tradings ones. And this is on covered call writing example with UVXY right here. Two great examples. Show you a little bit about the MOJO knowledge and what happens in MOJO Day Trading and MOJO University. Right there. Then we have the courses were phenomenal. A lot of people took advantage of the Easter promotion this weekend and took advantage of the bundles and the courses that were available. Amazing. And the new thing up there is and these are all the courses right here, is the special situation report. The next live class is in May. And if you can't do the live class, you do the super bundle, the advanced bundle, and it's the next best thing. Alexa, for super bundle, add that in. It's the next best thing to take in the class live. It includes everything but the kitchen sink. Nice. Invest feed. I've done some nice articles. If you're not following me on Invest Feed, I've posted some nice articles on Invest Feed. You should check that out. How is Archery like day trading right here? Nice article that I wrote right here. How is Archery like day trading? What are you, joking? I'll use today's CBLI as an example. Here's how I look at it. When you buy a stock, you better look at the volume. In this case, the average volume is less than 100,000 shares and at the time. And you can compare it to Yext, YEXT, which went through 14, but the volume at the time, very, very minimally traded. 70,000 shares, 67 every 5 minutes. So the volume is not really going around a lot in that stock compared to this one that traded 18 million. And every 5 minutes, it's trading over 1 million shares. Every 1.5 million, every 5 minutes. So based on this CBLI, which is now only 11:30 in the morning, on a day like that, if you bought the stock, if the stock's volume is like on a Yext is less than 100,000 shares and you bought the stock, the sell target for a higher price and a profit may only come around to you 1 or 2 times. So you're throwing that dart, man, shooting that thing. So what I really mean is, and I can better explain it always in a colorful way, is this. Let me show you. Let me get my pen, and we'll do blue today. So here's the bullseye. You know, it's got them rings around. And got another ring. And bullseye green. So there's the bullseye. You always want to shoot because you know what that bullseye was CBLI today. So we didn't really shoot a lot of arrows. We shot 3 arrows today. We shot an LABD. We shot a which is and we shut that Yext and CBLI. CBLI is the small cap momentum winner. This is an ETF that's trading at $11 a share. And this Yext is at 14. And this one's at 3. So let's take LABD. It's an ETF, and I'll rate the volume low, medium, and high. LABD is a medium volume. So if you buy it, let's say you shoot the dart and you nail it right there. Bam. You shoot your arrow. You hit it right there. Now, your profit target, the wheel has to spin around. Okay? And if you miss it, well, it's medium, it'll come around again. You'll probably have the opportunity to get out of that stock and not really suffer because it's got that medium volume.
Yeah.
Okay? So we got the medium volume. This guy, the low volume, you shoot it, you're hoping for that bullseye, it lands right there. This one, it needs to go around. Well, in 2 hours, it only made it right there. It may come around for you to get out if you were wrong. Let's go to the high volume stock in red. CBLI, shoot it. Bam, I landed it right here. Well, it's got to go around. Well, look what it did. Even if you're wrong, look how many times the wheel spun so you could nail it and get out and do something. This is all predicated according to volume. Okay? So the target spins in circles 360 degrees around until it comes into front view for you to shoot it again. The sharper you are and the more accurate and the better you hit the top, selling the stock is surging and up in profits present themselves. Now, if you don't take the profit and the stock sells off and you have to wait, and you wait until the target circles back around for another shot, if it ever does, that's all determined by the... So what makes the target circle around so many times and gives you shots at the profits? It's the volume. The bigger it is for the stock, the more times you have to make money with it. Keep in mind the time of the day when you do this. As if it's 10 a.m., you may get many chances during the day. But if the stock market's closing in a half an hour, you may not get any. So be aware of how much time you have left to score and hit a bullseye. Alexa, change hot to hit, baby. Yeah, boy. Hot to hit. I don't think I can change it on the invest feed, but I have that on my blog. So that's what I put up on the blog right there. And that's a good thing on invest feed. I put up a little article like that. I'll put it up on the blog right there. Put it up there and get that going. There's a university, MOJO University. You want to see what MOJO University is like, guys? Right here's a sample lesson. Right here.
Everybody get up.
That's what we do in MOJO U. Teaching you how to trade for a living.
Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, and this is a day trading video lesson made for Talk Markets. The purpose of the video is to show a couple things on the trading side that will improve the trading. Anybody can throw a dart and 10 of them at a dartboard hit 50% of the trades.
Perfect timing.
Somebody with experience throwing those darts can get 70% accurate, hit 7 out of 10. And without management and other rules in effect, you're still not a loser or a winner. You're just a 70% guy hitting some, losing some, winning here, losing here. You're not really a winner. Once you get 80%, 85, 90%, you really start to become an expert at the game. Start winning more than you're losing. How do you get to 85? How do you get to 90% accuracy? in the things that you do, whether it's throwing darts, trading, playing golf, or doing anything like that.
95%.
And I'm going to show you how we do it on a couple of different fronts. The first one is the day trading side. Now, in order to get from 70% to 80%, 70%, I've got a little system that I use. 80%, I'm going to keep track of how many darts that I throw, how many times I hit the board, where in the board I hit. And with the trading, it's how many shares, how many trades a day, what you enter the price, what you exit the price, how much you scalp, how much you make, and some notes here on the side of what was good and bad in that trade. And that'll bring you up to 80%. The 85% is the right side over here, is the notes. Keeping track and keeping notes of what you're going to do. So that's the first big secret of gold in this, bringing yourself to 85%, is keeping a journal and keeping record
85!
of all your trades and what you do. And this is the day trading record. Every day I make a pick for the portfolio in the room, and it goes right on this sheet. And for the month, I've done 139 trades, 137 correct for 99% accuracy, and a 26-cent scalp. Last month in October, finished up the month with 300 trades, 296 correct for 99% in October. And when you do it for 3 months in a row, on now over 400 trades, now over 700 trades at 95 to 99% accuracy.
95 to
There's no
99%?
faking going on, no fooling going on. You've got a set system. And there is a guy by the name of Tiger Woods.
Mean I've a couple of months in a row, 99%, 99%, 90 for 3 months in a row. Who performs like that?
One of the best golfers of all time. His sports psychologist is Dr. Gio. If you Google him, you'll find out. And his system, I base my trading, my golf, and a lot of the other things I do on. The first thing in the system is to have an outcome goal. And my outcome goal is doing this trade play that I call the Heinz trade play, playing through an even number. I do that several times a day. And that is the process of what I'm doing.
See, folks, the Heinz trade play. Come to the Mojo room, score at 99%. Guys, and what do you think so far of the video? Is it accurate? It's a nice little video lesson happening right now for all of my traders in the room for the Moj. We'll continue with the lesson. Let's continue.
Doing on a daily basis. What'll happen on that process is my outcome. My outcome goal is $500,000 to $1 million a year, doing 300 trades a month. 30% of those are Heinz trades, which is around 100 a month, 1,000 a year. You make $500 off each one, 1,000 off each one is $500,000 to $1 million a year on those Heinz trades. And if you're accurate and you've got a system, you've got your outcome, got your process. Third thing Dr. Gio says is the self-belief. I've got self-belief in the system, and it works. It's proven by myself and other people that are now doing it. And the fourth thing is patience. I'm aware of the cycle, and I've got patience to sit through it. So those four things taught by Dr. Gio is applied right here to the trading and also applied to several other things. And I'm going to show you how good the record keeping is, not just on the trading side, but how to achieve high success in other avenues of your life.
So this is what I teach in Mojo University, guys. What do you think so far? That's like from an actual class of Mojo University right there. What do you think of that? You like that so far? Should I continue? Show you a little bit more of that actualness like that? Only if 3 people don't say it, we won't continue. There ain't no secrets. There ain't no secrets, Bubba. Ain't no secrets, my man. Listen.
Here is a quick snapshot of my Twitter page, and I did a post on Twitter earlier.
I had 4,000 subscribers at that time.
Of my golf on Saturday. And right here, I just want to show you, I shot a 65, an all-time record for my golfing.
65,
right
baby.
So this was
33, mamacita. Right there. See that? Look at that scorecard.
A 33. That's the first hole. I started on the 10th. And right here, you can see how neat it's written. And
look, I went driver, triple check mark, 3-wood, 9-iron, 149, on and 2-putt, 1 under. 6-iron, A wedge to 5 feet. Hit an amazing putt right there with a double check mark on the putt. The putt was amazing, dude. That must have been a really good putt. Then I went birdie. I hit 3-wood with a triple check mark, 7-wood, 217. I hit an L wedge to 6 feet, made the putt again. Another putt with a triple check mark. So I birdied the par 5. Then I hit a 6-iron, 180, on and 1, 2-putt, still 2 under. Then I hit a 9-iron, 134. It must have been windy because I hit it 150. Was on and 1, 2-putt. Then I hit a 3-wood A wedge, 116, on and 2, and 2-putt. Then I screwed up a 7-wood. Then I hit a good pitching wedge, on and 3, and a good 1-putt again. Then I hit a good drive, only a double check mark, not a triple. 130 with the pitching wedge, on and 2. I made a 10-foot putt with another 1-putt. Dude, I was putting amazing. To keep me right there at another birdie. So then the last hole I hit driver, 8-iron, 155. Then I chipped up with the A wedge and I hit another good putt, dude. I didn't even notice that. And that's how I shot a 32 on the front by making those putts, man.
The check mark. So right here, this triple check mark, follow the mouse. 1 check mark means it was an okay shot. 2 check marks, it was a good shot, but it was in the rough. 3, it was perfectly down the middle, just as I liked it. A star means it was amazing.
And I didn't shoot any stars on here. Just a couple triple check marks, 5 feet away, just journaling everything, man. Kind of like what I did today, journaling this. Monday, great start of the week on CBLI. Shot up on the volume, played it perfectly. Then into the large signals, 930. Dipped to 203, squeezed the 210, went to 278, $1,262, huge winner. Degas, Hines, small, 135, HTGM, Hines, hit the high, and then came off stopping station to end for 2011. That's how you journal, just like that. Whoa! Just like that with the other. So that's Pro Trader Mike and MOJO Day Trading. And guys, you can come day trade for a living out of your own comfort of your own home. You can have your pooch down there. Got the mesh on the floor down there. And got everything going on. And let's go back to the site. So that's the sample lesson for MOJO University. You want to take that. The next course live with me is in 15 days. The current class is going on now. We should be finishing up about 3 or 4 more classes. And then we rock and roll into the new class. And if you can't do that online, you can definitely come down and take one of the bundles. The basics bundle, the advanced bundle. And the next course is in 15 days. That's the live. And it's $19.97. And then you have these, the basics, the advanced, and the super bundle. If you can't make the courses. And that's it. So that's how we rock and roll. This is the trade station setup. I've got 3 monitors. I have a day trading computer right here with the MOJO Day Trading engraved on the door. It's a high performance gaming computer with an EVGA GeForce 1070 video card, 1 terabyte of memory, Samsung Gevo 850 memory card with a terabyte. I have a 2 terabyte storage set, a 32 gig processor. Oh my god, this thing's the bomb. Let me open the door. There's the inside. The motherboard's in the back. It's all Hydrolux tubing, liquid cooled machine, Corsair fans, real quiet. Then I got this top part right here. I got the 3 on the top. I got 2 in the front, 3 on the top, 1 in the back, liquid cooled, amazing top of the line day trading computer with the MOJO Day Trading logo on the door. So everyone, you can ask me, I'll get you the info on that sucker. It's real nice. And you can day trade for a living. That was nice. That's under my desk. I had to duck down. You know what I mean? Anything happening with the stocks? Let's take a look. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I guess that's the end of that video on Periscope because the phone just died. Good timing though. Keep everyone in suspense. Anybody check out that special report? Oh, we're in tremendous wave theory. You did? No. You checked it out? You didn't check it out. How'd you check it out? I didn't see you check it out. You check it out. I didn't see you check it out. You check it out. I didn't see you check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Guys, gotta subscribe to my YouTube down there. Click, click. You sending me a new video today? Dude, I got him kicking in the PR firm. Kicking in the PR firm. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Alan's made me a new video. You know your old video has a lot of views? Did you know that? Let's check it out. Hey everybody. Hey, I talk like Pro Trader Ant now.
Hello there.
So I'll have to put it side by side, but this video, my man, has, let's see how many views.
Hello there. This is Pro Trader.
Dude, this video has only 4 people didn't like it, and I know all 4 of them. Go search day trading chat rooms, and whoever comes up on Google, the 4 of them, there they are. Because how can you not like that man in that video? 42 people did like it, but yeah, boy.
Around. I'm going to talk to you briefly today a little bit about my experience.
I've met him for lunch at Houston's restaurant. He's been with me for almost 5 years now. I've met him 7 times maybe. Every other couple of months and stuff, 2 or 3 times a year we hook up, go have lunch, hang out. We don't really talk about much. We just eat lunch and hang out, and we like our company, and what's there to talk about? We do the Heinz trade play. We figured out a system of business to make money every single day in the stock market, and this guy hasn't lost in, I don't know, he hasn't lost in a year, 2 years, 3 years. As a losing business? No. You may have losing trades, but overall a very successful trader. And he'll be telling you what he does and how he does that upcoming soon with some special things, as far as maybe the Mojo U right here. See Mojo University right here and the courses. Alan right here. You see Mojo University Live right here. There'll be a box, get started, we'll move down, and right next to it will be Alan Live. And Alan Live, I mean, if you don't want to sit down with this man and have him tell you how to set up a day trading business and run it, dude, you better go check yourself in the mirror before you do anything. Okay? So, yeah, MOJO University Allen Live will be coming up here very soon. FYI, folks. I know. You're sending me the new video. Go right up there with your new little program. Allen's Picks. Allen's Picks. It ain't about picks, boys. It's about the system. So Allen's system. That's the key. That's the key. Is the system. UV bounced back up. Let's see where it stopped. I bet it stopped at a stopping station. Yeah, it did. That's like the flash under 20 to 18. It does a little flash under 20.02 to 90 and goes right back up. Shebang. Let's see where this one stopped. Stopping station. Let's see where this one stopped. Stopping station. Let's see where Nugget stopped. Stopping station. Let's see where it stopped. Stopping station. Let's see where D-Gas stopped. Right here. Ooh. Stopping station. Let's see where you guys stopped. Right here. Ooh. Stopping station. Let's see where Lab D stopped. Right here. Ooh. No stopping station. First one. It happens. It's not a perfect scenario right there. It's not based on positive expectancy. It's based on a couple of other things. HTGM stopped right here. Stopping station. CBLI stopped right here. Stopping station stopped right here. Stopping station stopped right here. Stopping station. So what is that? 15 and 1 knot. Let's look at MGI. It didn't do anything. MOCO. MOCO. You know there's a symbol, MOJO? MOJO? MOJO Organics is the company. Right here. MOJO. It's 20 cents. Isn't that cool? CBLI is going to Heinz. Now, I just have that feeling. I just have that feeling that this stock is going to go through $3 now. See it? 288, but 288.87. Let's eye that sucker. Put on the oddball, boys, because MOJO 5. There's 20 trading days a month. 18 out of the 20 were done by 11. Today we hit our goals early. Room's going to stay open 24 hours a day because that's what we do. That's what we do. 90% of the time you continue to trade, you're going to lose because that's what you do, not what the MOJ does. I know. I know. I know. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the day. We traded WPRT for 3 cents, 4 cents this morning when it went through 130. Wasn't too exciting. Went from right here, 126 to 140. We traded it through 30. Wasn't that exciting. Wasn't tremendous volume, only 500,000. It was small. It was a good Monday. Good Monday. Ah, yes. All right, folks. Anybody else have anything to share? And we end it for the day. Trading a gambler's game. Hines is a businessman's game. I like that very much. I like that very much. So I think we should go cash in your chips for the day, or else someone will take them like this. Which one? You guessed wrong. Try again. Ready? Guessed wrong again. Right there. Come on now. Gotta be quick with the hands, man. So you can press the buttons fast on the keyboard. Trader McTrade. You like McDonald's? Should give you a burger. You like McDonald's? Give you a big old bun. Cause you're the McTradester. You need like a bun. Southwest salad. You're the McTradester. McDonald's. Let's see what kind of McDonald's is turning. They got a new sandwich, man. A chicken sandwich I had with all kinds of good stuff on it, buddy. Dude, you could be Ronald McDonald's picture. Ooh, the clown. New It. My son wants to go see that It movie with the clown. You know they're banning Ronald McDonald because of the clown. He looks just like him, dude. Doesn't he? Scary, dude, how they made that clown It just like it. If I was McDonald, I'd be suing that thing. Looks exactly like it, dude. The guy who lives in the sewers. Pepper guy. My son's all knowing about him. I know. Scary. Very scary for the boy. Ooh, look, PPHM. That was going to be in my report today. But I put in CBLI instead. Alright, folks. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Let's just take a look at this one right here. Let's see what this one is.